And I have only echoed what President Muhammadu Buhari and his Minister of National Development said. He said it, and that minister also, and I can go and Google and check what the attitude of the government of Muhammadu Buhari is to flyovers. They are not needed in most of the places they are putting them. How many vehicles are in Osogbo that you are putting 2 other flyovers to the one that Oyetola put there? It is just an avenue to steal money. And a lot of funds must have been stolen. What are you doing? You are claiming that you built those flyovers with 15 billion in some cases and some other amounts of billions of naira. And this is the first time I'm going to mention this on radio, and I will now mention it the more. They took most of the laterite with which they were filling those things from lands that they had allocated to people from the Ministry of Lands. I am one of those allottees. And you're still there. Go to the portion of land behind the State House of Assembly. You need to take your cameras there and see the evil, the environmental degradation that has taken place there. And this is a government that has quoted for one way or the other. You've taken 15 billion naira for doing the thing, and then you go to people's land to go and take laterite. I wrote several letters. Please, rather than just taking laterite from this place, make roads so that people around here can build their houses. No, not them. I'm not talking of a chemical. It is there, here in Osogbo. Within 5 minutes, you can take a drive there. That's where they took the laterite. So why did they take our money again if they are going to use laterite from our land to fill the place? And then you are now telling me, and they claim all those millions. With those millions, they could have done multiples of roads, including the one from Osun Grove to the Oba's Palace, to the Ataoja's Palace in Osogbo.
All right.
So I'm saying that was never a wise decision as far back as the days of President Muhammadu Buhari, and all over Africa.